Hello everyone. Today I'd like to share you some fascinating and even romantic optical phenomenon, the Tyndall effect. Have you ever noticed how, when sunlight enters a dusty room or in the forest, you can see a bright patch of the light in the air? That's not because the light itself has changed, but because tiny particles scatter the light and make a path visible. This is exactly what we call the Tyndall effect. In simple terms, when light passes through a colloid, particles scatter the light and they reveal the beam's pathway. But when light passes through the true solution, the light path is invisible. So, why does this happen? It all comes down to the particle size. If the particles are much smaller than the wavelengths of light, like in a salt or sugar solution, scattering is weak, and no path is visible. If the particles are closer in size to wavelengths of light, such as fat globules in milk, the scattering is strong, and the paths of light become visible. In short, larger particles means strong scattering, means a clear light beam. That's also why car headlights look like bright beams in fog, but not in the clean air.
Hi, this is Ruobei. So what we're gonna do today is the Tyndall effect. So here's the thing I want to use for today. So water with the sugar, and water with the milk. And although the thing I want to use is the laser and the chopstick. So let's see if the Tyndall effect is gonna happen with just the water. Clearly, we cannot see anything through the water. Mix some sugar with water. So let's see the Tyndall effect is gonna happen or no. As we can see, we cannot see anything through the water, just like the original water. The Tyndall effect doesn't happen. Here comes to the last step. We're gonna use milk mixed with water and to see if the Tyndall effects are gonna happen or no. So I already poured some milk into the beaker. So let's pour the milk into the water. See what's gonna happen. Alright, I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, let's use the laser. You can see the Tyndall effect's really strong. Right here, the laser. So, we already finished our experiment. As the result, the Tyndall effects in water and the water with the sugar is not gonna happen. But in the colloid, water plus milk, it happens really strong. So that's the Tyndall effect.